outside of the incredible physical location and just like the brand ethos and
Mm.
reputation that you've constructed, like how are you thinking about delivering all of the brand goodness through other channels and specifically digital ones?
When we do have these experiential activations, whether it's in the store or we're doing a Rolling Loud Festival or Summer Smash Festival, it's always at the forefront of our minds that we're also capturing this like really incredible and compelling content and experience and being able to distribute that across all of our digital platforms. So obviously like socials are very important to us. I'm very proud of the team. They've been sort of working on innovating new content and sort of elevating our content even more than it is now, even for performance marketing, for ads, and also, of course, for organic social. So I think it's very important that, what you experience in person, it gets translated to the millions of people who can't attend that one event in Las Vegas, right? Or in LA or in Chicago or wherever. It's just very important for us to be able to translate that digitally so that people can experience these events, products, launches, etc., through the different digital platforms that we have.